Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to import contacts into Google Contacts. So if you want to add multiple contacts to your Google account at once, you can import them from a CSV or vCard file. So here's how. So open your web browser and go to Google Contacts. So scroll down from here and click Contacts. Once you're here in the left sidebar, look for Import and click on it. So to get started, select a file. So use a CSV or vCard format or use their template. So you can click Select File and choose your CSV or vCard file. Then click Open. So here you have your optional. You can label it. So click Apply and click Import. So wait a few moments while Google uploads your contacts. So as you can see here, importing contacts. So just wait for it to finish. So once the import is complete, you will see your newly added contacts in your Google contact list. And that's it. So your imported contacts will automatically sync to any device signed in with the same Google account as long as contact sync is enabled. And that's it. Thank you for watching.